But
I'm
let's.
joining in your team.
Yes.
Your team is blue. Bluish.
Okay, what's up, guys? Actually, we're just doing. Yeah, not what's up. So, guys, this is the tutorial how to get to the end and build a boat. Look, there is my friend.
No, look at top. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look
Somebody is flying a jet, but yes, let's now build the boat. What? First, start up with the wood block.
Wait, I'm going to mute me for a sec.
Then you put another block over here, like this. And another block over here. And then another block over here. And another block over here. This seems like nothing right now, but you will see. Then you take.
Yo, I'm back. I'm actually seeing this tutorial on YouTube. You place.
Wait, don't do. Wait. Well, it's not YouTube tutorial. This is our tutorial. So, first you do this. My friend is gonna do this too. But this is really good, actually. If you have good blocks, place one here and place here. Whatever blocks, but they have to be strong. Look.
Maybe computer not working, but you see I'm doing it.
You see this?
You need 2 honey block for this. If you don't know it, you need honey block and stuck yourself. Wait. Okay, and if you don't know, I'm on Xbox because. Okay, are you ready?
No, and let's go back. Here's the tutorial is done. Look, this is the tutorial. Right now you have to build like this. Then you build this 2 blocks and 1 bit in the middle. Then you take a molder you have here and place it right here. Then you place one here and place 1 block here and another one here. If this is done,
don't worry, guys. The map going to change, and you don't have too much to leave because all maps are hard.
And
if you see my tutorial, you need 1 motor down, and this is glitch. You see, I'm going pretty war.
So yes, guys, this tutorial is going really good. But if you want a friend to come, then you delete one port and put this port. And make sure if you have this, you can put the gold block, and then place those here, 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 and here. Wait.
If you get a win, you have 1 gold block.
Yes, what's right here.
Okay, are you ready now?
This right sees nothing good, but wait, just wait for it. You're thinking, why did I put those here? Those are for we to live. You place right here.
I give you back. I give
First,
you jetpack.
First go like
Do you
this.
want jetpack?
No. First you
Wait, I can place
like
to
this.
your boat the golden blocks. This is very strong.
So you build it like this. Your friend over here too has to get some. So we put another block here, here. Wait, yes, actually like this. Here and here. Then you place this block here. Now you put this block here, and this you go. Now the tutorial is done. I hope you saw it all, and we will show you. Go. Look, he can fly now. He
But
can
this
fly.
is not really good.
But if you don't have the honey blocks, you can try my tutorial, what I showed you. After that, and don't, guys, if it doesn't work, because sometimes there's different maps, but it's really actually, it's gonna work. So
First is the mushroom back map, then is coming the clock map,
you
the
can
basketball, the video
look,
games,
nothing
the
takes
crystals.
damage of theirs. Wait, I didn't put the block there, but
If
you know.
you are not fast, you don't have so much chance to live, because in the video game map,
You get lasered.
yeah,
But right now, you saw his tutorial. You put two. You put
you
put
flying boat.
you put
This
five.
is nice,
You put
actually.
5 blocks, like this. What he showed, and then the light, the thing, and then yes, you saw him. And
If you know what is we're next video,
and the base.
this is we build a base in the IKEA, limited IKEA.
We have another tutorial coming in like 10 minutes after this video. So right now, guys, you see I'm already pretty far. You can see with my boat, and I have not taken that much damage or died yet, but yeah, we will soon. We'll definitely get damaged.
If you don't touch the gate, you don't have money, because the gate, what is black, says what your money. If you fly up, you can't get money.
Yes, right now, guys, you can see that I'm leaving, that this boat is pretty strong, and this tutorial is really good right now. You see, I've not actually taken that much damage. That, you know. So, I've not taken that much damage. Look, here's the squid area. This is what I tell you if you have to get at this. Because the tsunami is coming, and yes, it's bad. It will launch you up, just up in the sky, but if you're quick enough to drive and you're good at the driving, you can really quickly get out of here. Oh, look, like this. Now we are in the...
If you have questions, then ask in the comments.
Yes, if you have questions that
Oh no, I'm driving, I'm going to die.
so you go right here. Oh, he died.
No,
But he got to the... If you want to try this, you can try it, but you will get to the baseball. But it worked better, right? So, guys, you can see already that I'm really close to the end. That we are really close to the treasure too, and we have not taken that much damage actually. Just the front is really damaged. And again, if the...
If you want to save the boat, you're going to the menu, then you see something purple. You click that, and you can save and load if you want.
Yes.
Then you have the same boat, what is good. I have boat, what is really bad. I made it one day. It's really bad. It's flying. There is balloons in that, and it's not good. It's very, very...
Winner over this area. This is really bad area. Oh no, we lost the motor. Now is the only your chance to live with the blocks.
But
So
you can buy more items in the menu.
this is the one tutorial, but we have another boat tutorial where you can actually win. Look, we made it really far actually with this boat. So you can try this boat what I made. or you can try the next boat.
No!
And somebody is
make no
griefing
map.
our map. And what's going on? What's going on?
Criminals who want to steal me.
Reset
shot
your
me up.
reset.
Respawn chapter, reset.
So,
Uh,
the next tutorial will
I'm
be
going to disconnect my boat going to water and I hate it.
so yeah,
I need
guys.
to leave.
You saw the tutorial, guys. The next tutorial will come in 10 minutes. Yeah, guys, goodbye. Make sure to subscribe, like, and yes, comment too if you have questions about it. But the next tutorial will come in 10 minutes. But goodbye, guys. Make sure to hit the bell button to get a notification of it. So yes, goodbye, guys. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.